When you import a character from Illustrator into After Effects, it usually comes in as multiple layers, each part of the character separated out. Now, when you try to scale the character, you might run into an issue. Normally, you would select the layers and hit S on your keyboard to bring up the scale property, then adjust the value to resize it. But when you do this, each layer scales independently instead of scaling the character as a whole. This means your character can end up looking distorted or misaligned. Here's the simple fix. Right-click in the timeline, go to New, and select Null Object. This null will act as a controller for your entire character. Next, select all the layers that make up your character, then use the Parent and Link column and drag the pick whip from each layer to the null object. Now everything is connected. Finally, select the null object, hit S, and adjust the scale. Now your entire character scales perfectly as one unified object. And when you're finished, you can just delete the null if you don't need it anymore. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.